Alright, let's crack the truth wide open. You've probably been eating eggs your whole life. Scrambled, fried, hard-boiled. But what if I told you most people actually eat them in ways that miss out on their real benefits? Or even do more harm than good? Let's zoom into your body for a second. Imagine you just wolfed down a plate of greasy overfried eggs. The oil? That's a lot of extra saturated fat, which can line your blood vessels and make your heart work overtime. Now, let's get microscopic. Inside your gut, enzymes break down the egg proteins. If eggs are overcooked, say, rubbery whites or browns around the yolk, you're not just ruining the taste, you're making it harder for your body to absorb vital nutrients like biotin and vitamin D. Overheating can actually denature some of these nutrients, leaving your cells a little starved for the good stuff. Your liver, heart, and even your brain depend on choline, found in egg yolks. But eat too many yolks the unhealthy way, and you might skyrocket your cholesterol. You get the point. It's a balance. So, what's the best way to eat eggs? Science says, keep it simple. Soft boil or poach your eggs. That way, you preserve the nutrients, avoid extra fats, and your body can use every bit. Pair them with some veggies, even better for your gut, liver, and overall energy. Bottom line, don't let your eggs go to waste, or to waistline trouble. Treat them right, and they'll treat your body right, from your cells all the way up to your heart. Try changing up your breakfast tomorrow, and see how your body feels. Exactly the difference you need.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.